To resolve the issue of not receiving a login confirmation code via SMS from CIBC, start by accessing the CIBC homepage. Simply type CIBC into your search engine. Click the first option, and you will arrive at the homepage. Once there, you can proceed to the two-step verification process. If you encounter problems, the first step is to contact your phone and SMS provider to check if you are allowed to receive messages from websites like CIBC. This will help determine if the issue is related to your provider or CIBC. If necessary, you can then access customer service to report the issue. Before seeking further assistance, it is essential to verify that the problem is not localized to your provider. By following these steps, you should be able to identify and potentially resolve the issue, gaining access to the one-time verification code required for login.